Hey folks, so this is my Southern Peach Cobbler. I am making two of these today. This one is going to have like the regular ingredients. I'm using canned peaches. You can use frozen peaches too. I've done both. But for this particular video, I'm going to use canned peaches. I'm also adding like 2 cups of sugar. Yeah, it's a lot. There's also 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm using lemon juice. I'm also using cinnamon, nutmeg, and you can optionally add some peach crown royal. It really boosts up the flavor. It does cook off, so you're not drinking like alcohol, of course, within the peach cobbler. So it's just giving it a more potent peach flavor. But yeah, so I'm going to stir all of this up, and I'm going to add some pie crust. So I'm doing it the quick way. Basically, all you need to do is add some flour to a cutting board and add like a ready-made pie crust. I use Pillsbury pie crust where it's already rolled out, and you can roll it out some more, add some more flour to it just to expand it more. For the casserole dish, I'm using 2 pie crusts. So as you can see, I'm like folding it out, I'm spreading it, adding that baking spray to the casserole dish helps spread the pie crust out some more too, so that it's, coming up the casserole dish. Do not pay attention to my nails. I was filing off the no chip, so don't pay attention to that. Anywho, get you some more pie crust, roll them out. This recipe is technically taking like 3 pie crust total, so 1 on the right, 1 on the left of the casserole dish, and then I'm also rolling out another one so I can like slice it and make like the lettuce top. So you're going to add some cinnamon to the pie crust, you're going to add in your peaches, and then you're going to add those slices into like a lattice strip. So you're going to go vertically and you're going to go horizontally on your casserole dish. And I'm making 2 of these because it's going to be for 2 households, mine and my fams, my external fams. So yes, I'm going to add that butter on top of that, bake it for like 375 degrees for like about an hour. You want to make sure that your crust is not burning too. But once you're done with that, that's pretty much it. I will let this rest for at least 20 minutes before eating.